So in this tutorial I'm going to talk about LEDs and how to interface them with Arduino. So I'm going to try to cover everything that you need to know, and just to make it easier so that you can understand what I mean in my future videos about LEDs and such. So first of all, the LED itself. In order to connect it to your Arduino or any power source, you have to identify which pin is the anode and which pin is the cathode. Usually, usually, because I had some experience to coming across LEDs which are different. Usually the long pin, the LED, is the anode, and the short one is the cathode. Also, in the future videos, you're going to see me drawing a schematic representation of an LED, which basically looks like this. So this being as an anode, positive, and this being a cathode, negative. And if I drew an LED next to it, so that would look something similar to this. Positive there and your negative there. The next thing you need to know is basically LEDs need certain amount of current. So you apply too much, you're going to burn it. Different LEDs, however, have got different requirements for voltage and different requirements for current. I tend to use just a 100 ohms resistor most of the time. The connecting to an Arduino is pretty straightforward. Going to use a breadboard. I don't know if you've used them before, but they just got connections made in horizontal lines like this. So every hole in this line here is connected together, and on the other side as well. I've got your two wires to light the LED up. I'm not going to write any code now, just going to use the 5V output. So cathode being the negative connected to ground, and positive to 5V output. And here we go, we've got the LED light up. If you want to make the LEDs dimmer or brighter, you'd have to use the PWM outputs, which are located on pin 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Well, I'm not going to show you a demonstration now, but the way it works, it just sends out different length pulses. Well, that's basically what PWM stands for. It's a pulse width modulation. So to a naked eye it actually looks like it's constantly lit, but it's just blinking in a really fast rate, and the time that the LED is actually on changes, so that makes it look dimmer or brighter. And I think I've covered most of the things that I need to cover this video now. So thank you, and good luck connecting your LEDs.